Hey guys, Eli2Tell here. We have aircraft today. 2 VTOL and 2 World War II planes. 1 bomber, 1 dive bomber actually, and 1 fighter. And then for the VTOL, we have 2 fighters for the aircraft carrier. Don't worry about that, that's our dog torturing my mother. Oof. And I just broke this. But let's get into the video. This is the spaceship, basically. Minigun on the bottom. You got two guns on there for attacking, and then you got missiles. Pretty simple. You have already seen the design for this. And then you have this VTOL. That's also a VTOL. I'm calling it a VTOL. Don't yell at me. I made it a VTOL, which is using the power functions thing. I don't know why the screen's dirty on this. It's very old, probably. You got cannons here. It's a jet-propelled one. The wings are foldable, so it can fold up for the aircraft carrier. And then you got like your cannon. So basically, you can put it in a position when you're taking off like this. So when you're taking off, you can kind of just do that and go like right into battle. So you can just go right off the VTOL, go right off the craft really quickly and leave. So basically you got a large cannon on here and then 2 20 mil or 50 cals. I think I'm marking those as 50 cals. And then you got a back entrance here. You got a bit of storage too. So fairly nice VTOL. I like it a lot. And then when it's folded up like that, it has a really high center of gravity, which center of gravity means CG, or that's what it's short for. Then let's move on to World War II. There's your bomb. The front just fell off when I was grabbing it. So this is a World War II American dive bomber. Kind of pimped out, made it look a bit bigger, give it a different design. I kind of like it because you got a bunch of like open window, back turret here, and then the bottom of it, there's a lot of bombs, torpedo, bomb, 2 more bombs back here, and then where did my, apparently the tail fell off. There's my back. Hold on a second. I gotta fix some things. Okay. I don't really think about that. I'm recording! But let's get back to the video. Got that, and then we got basically a top turret here. Our tail, I'm already happy with it. Torpedo just fell off, but foldable landing gear. That's pretty much what it looks like when it's folded up. It's interesting. And then we got the P-51 Mustang, which I was really happy about this build. I love the P-51. It's very iconic in World War II. especially when it was in a lot of World War II, D-Day, some other things. But this was a very fast, very nice plane back in World War II. But I have floatable landing gear, back wheels, nice tail. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. That one might get a bit of a redo, especially in the landing gear department and the prop department too. So, and I might add another gun on there. So, I'm really happy with this P-51 Mustang. Also, foldable landing gear. It's kind of fun to screw with those. These two planes are for the base. These two are for the aircraft carrier, which is over there. So, that's it for this video. There won't be another one until tomorrow morning because I am taking a break for the rest of the night and getting some dinner. Yeah. Bye-bye. This is Eli Trutel. Bye-bye.